What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Car Revive. Okay, we got the Eclipse here with us and we're ready to push things forward. Let me just get a step back of the car so you guys can see what we're actually working with. Not too bad on the body, right? So basically today we're going to be working on this side panel. I want you to help me with this side panel right here. My stepson Nathan's going to help me on the side panel today. We're going to be sanding this out right here, getting it nice and flush and smooth again, basically. I'm gonna pick out a few things on the on the car to sand down. I'm gonna probably do this handle today. You wanna do both handles?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna do both handles. Let's do this a little bit. Let's do this, the beams. Let's do the top where the sunroof is today.
Yeah.
So let's do this. Today we're gonna be working on, as far as sanding. We don't have a whole lot of time on this. It's pretty gloomy out, as you can see, you guys. So whatever happens, happens. In the meantime, just if you like what you see, tell a friend, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss anything. We're working out of a lugs box over here. As if that matters. But yeah, let's just get things started and going. Let's work on these handles.
All right.
Stay there. Yep. Oh no, this is what we're doing. We're doing this right here.
All right.
We're doing this right here. This is what we're taping down. The sunroof. Alrighty, guys, we are taping everything up basically on the Mitsubishi, trying to hit like all those seams and lines of what we don't want to paint. After we basically tape everything off, I'm gonna do a checklist of what I'm gonna do to the car because I still really haven't looked too much over everything yet. Yeah, no, I was just gonna ask you a question. Let me ask you a question. What would you have to do with that right there? You ain't gotta pull the whole thing down. Unless that's the way you want to do it, but you're gonna have to push that up like that. But I would say just do this. Okay. This is basically the last of the red for the sunroof area, basically. Minus, down in there. I'll probably sand that down a little bit and hit it with something and make sure it kind of like matches a little bit. But other than that, we're only just painting the outside of the car. It's gonna look good. Stay tuned. Yeah, like I was saying, if you guys like what you see, hit that like button, like and subscribe. Make sure your post notifications are on. If you have any ideas for the build or any nice mods for the 2.4 liter, let me know. Alrighty, guys, we got this nice and taped up. Nice, just to create a nice border around the area we're gonna be sanding today. Like I said, we're just gonna be sanding the door handles down, get them nice and smooth, get a close in on this. As you can see, the paint is like deteriorating. I don't know if this is like some sticky stuff or what, but we're just gonna sand that down nice and smooth. Come around to the other side. Not much of a whole lot going on here, just some discoloration. It looks kind of blotchy. We're just gonna sand this one down. I'm gonna have you do that side. Give you what you can use for this thing. you can stand up while you're doing it.
Yeah.
Try to go like on an angle like this. You see how I'm going like not up, or you see how I'm covering more coverage too when I'm doing it?
Yeah.
So go like either like this, up and down, just gently. You ain't gotta go very hard because it's gonna scrape some, you know what I'm saying? So just go like that, all right? You can feel the smoothness of it already. Fill it out.
Yeah.
Ain't even do a whole lot there and there, just now, did I?
Nope.
Here. Don't push down hard like that way. Just go like lightly like that. So I'm gonna work the other side. I'm gonna record you doing it, all right? Alrighty guys, so we started the priming process. It's looking good. Got a nice small run right here in this spot. Nothing a little wet sanding can't fix. Other than that, looks good. Priming it with the white. I'm gonna be painting the car white, so better yet to hit it with that white stuff, you feel me? So this is this door handle. Spray pretty much with perfection. Yours truly, I did that. You see the difference, Nathan?
Yeah.
That one don't have a run on it, but this one do. Right there, you can see it.
Oh.
It looked like you used like a highlighter, not highlighter, white out. You know when you put white out or something on something, it don't look like it's smooth. But yeah, things are coming together nicely. Primed the door handles. Right now, I'm finna be removing the wipers, sanding those down, priming those. I'm gonna keep those out until I actually paint the car. Next thing I'm probably gonna remove is this thing here, just to see like what's going on up under there a little bit better. Clean this, as you can see, it's looking a little bit better. Gonna do some touch-ups on that for sure. Clean this. Gonna be removing these, painting these. Oh, some type of color, not sure what yet, but yeah, stay tuned. So I'm gonna be removing all that stuff today. In the process, I'm gonna be looking into how to handle this rust, so stay tuned. Still trying to work on that rust, but in the meantime, I can slowly try to stop it from spreading. Like this feels pretty hard right there, but yeah, I'm gonna try to stop it from spreading, do whatever I can for the Mitsubishi clips, so stay tuned. All right guys, that's pretty much a wrap for today's video. If you like what you see, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below. Feel free to leave any thoughts on what you think, on what you like, what you've seen so far. If you dislike anything, let me know. I'll open to taking suggestions. If anybody's out there with an Eclipse, feel free to leave what you did to one. Big things are coming to the build, so just stay tuned. Peace, you guys.